never ending pursuit. We are led to believe that something is missing in our life, that something will complete us once we acquire it. We start chasing that something. That something could be a dream job, a dream house, love marriage, money, position, or achievements. While we are chasing after our goals, our full attention is focused on the future. We are robbed of our present moment. Our DMN is in full swing. DMN is default mode network. It acts as time travel machine. It drags us into future. Arrival fallacy keeps us running. What is an arrival fallacy? It is a belief that achieving a specific goal or milestone will bring us a lasting happiness. Once we achieve the goal, we get a little squirt of dopamine. We feel good, but for a very short time, our excitement fades away quickly. We pick a new goal and start all over again. Doesn't matter whether we face a pleasant or unpleasant situation, we always end up at the baseline. We go back to the baseline. Finish line never arrives. This is hedonic adaptation. That chase or pursuit never ends and continues throughout our lives. Thrill of more and never satisfied. Dopamine anticipates reward and potentiates craving. You think of wonderful things you will have in 5 years. You are dissatisfied now because you don't have these things now. You are lacking or missing. On hedonic treadmill, finish line never arrives. Who keeps you stuck at the treadmill of your life? Your ego, your hedonic impulses, society, and the system. The system benefits from you being on treadmill. It instills in you these values. One, the happiness is a destination, not a journey. Two, happiness is conditional. Three, happiness is long lasting. Four, you are special. It appeals to your ego and promotes individualism. Five, you are entitled. Six, you are lacking. You are missing. The system instills these values in you and then manipulates you. It promotes consumerism. It sells you. It enslaves you. There is inverse relationship between satisfaction and wanting. Wanting and desires are inversely proportional to satisfaction. When wanting goes up, your life satisfaction goes down. On the other hand, if your wanting is reduced, your life satisfaction increases. Therefore, it is important that we distinguish between needs and wanting. Wantings are desires, desires are longing, while needs are necessities. We need to fulfill our necessities, our needs, but we need to stop chasing after our desires. What forces drive the bucket list of your hedonic treadmill? Four P's of bucket list are purse, money, power, pleasure, and prestige. Solution to get off the hedonic treadmill and live a full life. Three C's of self determination theory: intrinsic motivation, choosing, your choosing, or autonomy, competence, and connectedness. Self determination theory focuses on intrinsic motivation. We have to be intrinsically motivated. We should pursue our own intrinsic values. We should not be pursuing values set forth by the system or society or social media or economic system. We need to develop awareness of the never ending pursuit phenomena, how it works. We need to learn to distinguish between needs and desires and only pursue our needs. We need to practice mindfulness, present moment approach. We need to focus on process, not the results. We need to focus on journey, not destination. Because when we focus on process or focus on journey, we start living at the present moment and we start enjoying our life. If we focus on results or destination, we are always looking in future, we are always on the treadmill, and we are always running and chasing and pursuing our future goals. We have to practice gratitude for all the things we have, all the blessings we have, so that we can appreciate those, and that brings us back to our present moment. We need to acquire experiences, not possessions. These are few suggestions which can help us get off the never ending pursuit and hedonic treadmill. Thank you for watching. Please share if you like the content.